What's going on, guys? So I'm going to be speaking about the main websites that you're going to need when you're coming into crypto, okay? These are the main sites that I use. I don't really want to overcomplicate anything. I just want to kind of stick to basics to just onboard people to the crypto space, right? So the first one that we're going to speak about is CoinMarketCap. If you've been in crypto for a while or even like 3 to 6 months, you're going to know about CoinMarketCap. But if you're completely new to crypto, you're not really going to know about CoinMarketCap. So let's go over it now. So what we've got when you come onto CoinMarketCap, this is the domain name, it's coinmarketcap.com. You've got all of the main coins here. You've got like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT. You've got the current price of it. You've got the market cap. You have the trading volume, 24-hour trading volume, and then you have the circulating supply. It's a fairly easy to use website. Say if you want to know, say if your friend mentions Bitcoin, for example, you can come on, you can have a look at Bitcoin, and then you can see obviously the chart here, the daily chart, the monthly chart. You can go to all, so like Bitcoin started all the way down here, and then you can kind of see like the price action over the years of Bitcoin. Yeah. You then scroll down. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you can have a look on CoinMarketCap, see where it's available to buy. So you can see it's available on Binance, on Coinbase, on OKX, on Bybit, on like literally every single exchange. You can buy Bitcoin. But if it's a smaller coin and it's not on all of the exchanges, you don't know where to buy it, just come onto CoinMarketCap, put in the coin, and then you can have a look to see where it's basically available to buy. Scroll down a bit further, you've got Bitcoin news, all of the latest news, and then some more information about Bitcoin. Over here you've got the website, you've got the white paper, you've obviously got some of the socials here, and all of the information there. So it's fairly straightforward to use this website. Okay, let's go back to the main page. But any coin you wanna know about, whether it's Polkadot, Shiba Inu, Tron, whatever it is, just click on it. You can find out the details about the coin. If it's like on page 50 or 100 and you don't want to scroll all the way down, just literally go to the search bar and then you can put in the coin in there. Okay, what we've got here is we've got categories. So you've got meme coins, you've got Solana, you've got AI, like artificial intelligence. If a coin is, say if artificial intelligence, AI is trending, or gaming is trending, and you want to buy a gaming coin or an AI coin, just literally come onto CoinMarketCap again, go onto the categories, click on AI or gaming, and then you can see all of the AI coins, for example. Okay, the same with gaming. You can see all of the gaming coins, and then like RWA, which is real world assets, you can see all of the real world asset coins as well. Politify, which is basically Trump tokens and like election coins and stuff. Oh, sorry, let's just go back there. They're all here as well, and then you've got all of the details on them. Okay, and then deep in. So the best place to find tokens and find information on tokens is CoinMarketCap. What you've also got, you've got the bits at the top here, so you can see like exchanges. All right, there's loads of exchanges out there. You can see like Binance, Coinbase Exchange, OKX. So you can see the top exchanges, and then you can obviously see where they rank, what fiat currency they support, their trading volume. So if you're looking for a new exchange, you want to do some research, you can come onto CoinMarketCap and basically do your research on the exchanges as well. If you go up to the top here, we're not going to go too into this, but once you start getting a bit more experience in crypto, you can get involved in airdrops. Okay, you click on airdrops here. We'll probably go over this in a later video, and then you've got access to different airdrops. Okay, and then you've got, say, ICO, which is initial coin offering. When a new coin is launching, you can enter into like the early stage in the ICO or the IDOs. Okay, we can go over this later in the course, but this is just kind of in a nutshell how to use CoinMarketCap, what CoinMarketCap is, and it's kind of like the hub for information. If you want to see what coin is trending or recently added, you can just come along to this bit here, click on trending, and then you can have a look. You can have a look down here to see what's trending at the moment. So like you've got Solana trending, Tron trending, Hooked Protocol. I haven't actually heard of this coin, but this is trending as well. There's so many coins coming out daily. It's good to kind of have this just as a tab, just pin it in your browser somewhere, and then anything you want to know about any coin or any exchange, you can come on here, and the information is always up to date. All right, very, very useful platform. So the next site that I use is TradingView. Now, TradingView is a bit more technical if you're obviously if you're just starting into crypto, but I just want to go over the three main sites that I use. So TradingView is basically more for trading. You can see price action. So you've obviously got the charts here. You can set up different indicators and stuff. I'll go through this later in the course as well, but definitely sign up with TradingView, and then we can go over the trading aspect as well as investing aspect. But just in a nutshell, TradingView, you can see like I've got Solana USD. All right, if I want to have a look at Bitcoin, I'll put BTC, and then it will come up here. Bitcoin, you could choose which exchange you want to see the charts on, and then you've got all the charts on Bitcoin as well. And this is basically for trading. You've got your indicators and stuff here. I'll go over how to set that up so your charts can look similar to mine. And then, yeah, as well as learning about crypto and actually buying and investing in crypto, you can then get into the trading side if that's what you want to do as well. And you can make a lot of money as well in trading. But the first one is obviously CoinMarketCap. The second one is TradingView. And the third one is Dex Screener. Okay, so this is Dex Screener here. This is basically not a centralized exchange and not a decentralized exchange. What it is basically kind of an analytics platform that pulls off data off decentralized exchanges. We're going to go over the difference between centralized and decentralized later in the course. Okay, but this is basically kind of a data website that has all of the coins on it. So you've got all of the different chains here. So like Solana, Ethereum, BSC, Base, Tron, etc. So say if I want to look for Solana coins, where is it? It's got up here. Then I've got all of the Solana coins. I can also search up here as well for a specific coin. Say if I want to go on Danny coin, for example, I can see the liquidity is 194,000, market cap is 2.1 million. They currently have $97,000 in Solana, $97,000 in Danny coin, and then you can see all of the buys and sells in this section here. You can see the top traders on this bit. You can see the holders, okay, and then liquidity providers on that section. If you want to find information about Danny, you can look at the website, the Instagram, the Twitter, the Telegram, or the Discord, just along this side. If you want to buy Danny, what you can do, we're going to go over this later in the course as well, but if you want to buy Danny just in a nutshell, what you can do is you've got the contract address here. You can either use a bot, or you can put it, as it's on Solana, you can put it into like Phantom Wallet, just copy that, paste that. We'll go over this in probably the next video or the video after, just on kind of how to buy on Dex Screener and other platforms. These coins that are on Dex Screener are typically coins that aren't on main exchanges like Binance, Qcoin, Coinbase, Kraken, Crypto.com, etc. They're kind of either newly launched coins, or they basically haven't got a listing on a main exchange. Predominantly kind of like meme coins, some meme coins with utility and bits like that. So, but you can make a lot of money on these coins. Definitely worth looking at, definitely worth learning about. But the site is basically Dex Screener. You can use Dex Tools as well, which is similar. My preferred choice is Dex Screener. It's a really, really good site. You can obviously look at the charts here. You can look at the daily chart if you click there, or the hourly or the 4 hourly chart. And then if you want to go to say Ethereum coins, you basically do the same. You can see all of the Ethereum coins. Okay, the best things to do is basically go onto these sites, have a play about, and you'll start to learn how to use them. As much as I tell you kind of click this, click that, ultimately it's going to go in one ear and out the other. The best thing to do is I give you the tools, and then you basically go off and you start researching, and then you start learning yourself. Because the way that I've learned in crypto, I've tried to watch all the videos, I've tried to watch YouTubers and all this bullshit, and the information out there is no good. So what I'm doing in this course is I'm taking you on a journey of pointing you in the right direction, helping you as much as possible, but then you have to still put in the legwork to learn it and actually do it, and then you'll eventually start making money in this space. So it's not just a course, it's more of a journey of saying, look, this is how you set up the exchange, these are the sites that I use, and it's kind of me remembering how I first started in crypto and what I used to struggle with, and giving you guys a kind of, so you guys don't make the same mistakes, and it's kind of a bit easier, so I'm pointing you in the right directions. So yeah, but Dex Screener is great. So just to recap, CoinMarketCap, all right, TradingView and Dex Screener, these are the only sites that you'll really need. to begin with. And as we progress in the course, we go over how to use Dex Screener and what wallets to connect and how to actually buy these coins as well. And we'll also go over TradingView and how I basically set up my charts and how I trade and what I look for as well. So then you'll kind of start from the very beginning, from getting the exchange set up to working out what sites to use, and then basically find out difference between centralized and decentralized exchanges, and then what wallets to use and how to buy some of these low cap coins. And then just kind of go through the whole process. So by the time you finish this course and this journey, you're not going to be an absolute expert in crypto, but you're going to know a hell of a lot more than you did before you obviously started. And it's going to give you all of the information, everything that you need to then progress and take it to the next level in your crypto journey. So yeah, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video.